Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shevya from Miraki. For those who don't know me, my name is Shevya and my channel is Miraki. So today I have another video, that's my second vlog video, which is Dollar Tree DIY video. This video has two projects. I'm gonna work this weekend on two projects. One of them is related to oven baked clay and the second one is related to the Jenga blocks, you call it, or you call them tumbling tower blocks, anything. I got them from Dollar Tree. So the first project I'm gonna work today are these small ring trinkets. I've been waiting to create them for such a long time, and for this I'm gonna use oven baked clay. For these ring trinkets, I've checked out Etsy, I've checked out other websites. They do not cost us no way less than $10. And they look so cute, so beautiful when you keep your rings, your watches and your bracelets on these. So today I'm going to create different ring dishes, and along with that I'm also going to create two photo holders using the clay. And you can create any kind of shape that you want. Here I'm going to create a random shape and I've created two of them as circle. Now I'm gonna create a photo holder that you'll see. I have created this one is a little bit of triangle in shape, and I'm gonna give a small incision at the top where I want my photo to be placed. So here you go. Next project I'm going to create using tumbling tower game, and I'm going to create a lantern using these tower blocks. I picked up these from the kids section. They're pretty small as compared to the Jenga blocks, but yes, you can even use Jenga blocks for creating a lantern using the small wooden blocks.